Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to do the short division that we've been working on so that you are better able to assist the students as they are working. So if we have a division problem like 2 divided by 191, okay, this is our division problem. We are doing things a little bit differently. We call it short division. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by sequence counting our divisor. The students are well aware on how to do this. You just may need to give them the reminder that they need to sequence count. So to sequence count by twos, we just list our two facts. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, so we've listed out our two facts. So we need to ask ourselves, can 2 go into 1? No, 2 cannot go into 1. But can 2 go into 19? Well, yes, 2 can go into 19. So what we do is we draw a box that starts in the same space as that 9. And that's going to tell us that whatever's in this box goes right here. And we know that with a 3-digit 1, we're going to have 2 boxes. And they've just come to know we have 3 digits, we have our 2 boxes. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is figure out how many times can 2 go into 19. We need to look at our sequence count. Which number gets us closest to 19 without going over? So we come down to our sequence count and we goes, oh, well, we know 20 is too much. So we go back and we circle the 18. We know that 2 can go in. 18 will get us closest to 19 without going over. So in this box, then, we're going to sequence count by 2s until we get to 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So now we have 18 in our box, but we need to get to 19. So what we do there is we start with 18 and we count up until we get to 19. 18, 19. Pretty simple. We only have one remainder there. But what we do with this remainder is we take this 1 and we add it to our 3rd digit. Right like that, and cross out the remainder because we've already used it. So now we're looking at the number 11. We need to look at our sequence count. Which number gets us closest to 11 without going over? Well, 12's going over, so it's got to be 10. So now we're going to use the box that's above the 1. We need to sequence count till we get to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have 10 in our box, but we need to get to 11. So we're going to count 10, 11. And again, only 1 left. Now how we write this problem is above the 9 is this box. We need to count up how many tallies we have in this box. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That number we're going to write right there. Then above the 1, how many tallies are in this box? 5. And then how many do we have left over? We have just the 1, so which remainder 1? So 191 divided by 2 is 95, remainder 1. It's a little bit different of a way to divide, but it saves them the hassle of forgetting the steps. They'll eventually get into the long division later. So I hope this helps you to be able to show them and work through them if they get confused. If not, they'll be able to figure it out. Thank you so much.